What's that smell? That's the smell of global liquidity rising. And what happens next? Our future millionaires being made, printed as if they were coming off of a Hershey's Kisses conveyor belt. But we're not allowed to talk about that, right? Because the sky's fallen and the last 3 months have been terrible. Price action, right? We can't be bullish at this point, can we? Well, international M2 money supplies say we can. Global liquidity versus the Bitcoin price action, thanks to Colin Talks Crypto and his study on the correlation of the global M2 money supply. It looks like it's got about a 108-day lag compared to other predictions. And we have a Fed who cut last year when the market was pumping at all-time highs and the economy was strong. And now the Fed says they won't cut, and the market's slowed down and prices are down. Oil prices are down. Inflation's actually down. It's all backwards. And as usual, the Fed is late to the party. Meanwhile, the headline news, the corporate media, etc., and several bears online who are day trading and feel bearish because of the last 3 months have you scared to proceed in what could be the most parabolic, euphoric crypto phase that we've seen in the last 5 years. Another great illustration is behind me. This is the chart for others.d. Others is the chart for all of the crypto market minus the top 10 market caps, okay? So, and then others.d is the dominance of their performance against all of the rest of crypto. And well, others.d has hit this major liquidity support area and likely will bounce off of it. And when you see others' dominance going up, that means your altcoin portfolio, whether you have it in the right things or not, I can't promise that. But if you've made strategic acquisitions, this is where euphoria happens. Now, this isn't just some BS hype alt season video. This is literally a video saying it's time. It's time to pack if you haven't already. And if you already have and you bought local tops of previous mid-cycle tops, then simply all you have to do is not panic and hold, accumulate, lower your cost basis, and continue to lean into this and let the market come to you. As I talked about in my last video, this is what's actually happening in the crypto market. But every time we start to consolidate on a base, people think it's over. It's over, bro. Crypto's dead, bro. And that's what you start to see, both in emotional sentiment and also in the deployment of capital. But the most likely victims of the market are those who simply don't look back at data and history and understand that the market's here to shake you out of your money. And the market is a forward-looking discounting mechanism. So while you're worried about the cost of eggs and what President Trump's next tweet about tariffs are, market makers, smart money, central exchanges are all making 4D chess moves that are going to get you to freak out and miss. And then when the pump happens, you're going to fall victim again to FOMO. And not only you, but all of the people who are sidelined right now. I actually think this is going to be the most hated bull run in history, because people are going to be like, I thought it was over. I thought tariffs. I thought Russia. I thought XYZ. And the whole time it was just money playing to get more money. Have a cash flow strategy. Have an appreciation strategy. Have a leverage strategy. Have an exit plan. That's all you need to build wealth methodically with crypto. If you're still here and you're a business owner, real estate investor, retiree, pre-retiree, mom, dad, husband, wife, whatever the case may be, maybe you've got something on the line. Maybe there's something bigger than just wanting to buy Lamborghinis and nice houses. Maybe there's a bigger impact at play. If that's you, I want you to put a number 4 in the comments and listen closely. Crypto and money can buy you a lot. It can buy you a lot of peace. It can buy you a lot of tranquility, and it can get you into opportunities that 80% of the world can't get you into. It needs to be treated with respect and as a skill, not just some happenstance that you hope to get lucky on. This weekend is as good a weekend as any to make a decision to redeem. It's a weekend of redemption. It's a great weekend to redeem your lack of skills, knowledge, or methodologies when it comes to crypto. Now, I'm going to go walk my dog, but if you can, give me a like, give me a follow, and go to cryptoyall.co to learn more.